Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage application settings on your HISENSE TV. So first, what you guys can do is go over to settings. Now here in those settings, we need to go to system, and in the system, we will see something called the application settings. So here we can change the application preferences. So like we can clear the cache. We can also delete all of the cookies. We can enable do not track. So it will basically request that we cannot use the, as you guys can see now it needs to restart, that they cannot track us, like use our data, like the big companies. So make sure to keep that enabled so you're not getting tracked online. I'll show you guys what's in these settings in a second. It just needs to load after changing it. So let's go over to the settings again. Now let's go to the system and go to the application settings. So here we also have the Prime Video or Netflix. Basically here we can basically remove the Prime Video account and the Netflix account. As you guys can see, if you got one here, you guys can deactivate. You can also exit Netflix directly from the menu, and basically you will still be logged in, but you will just need to join the Netflix app the other way. And that's basically all for those settings. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.